Yes, student, this is the last topic of the chapter. Some more important compounds like bleaching powder. Student, during the rainy season, the water which we are getting from the municipal corporation, sometimes it is very dirty. So how do we are cleaning it? We are cleaning it by using the bleaching powder. That means what? Again, this is one of the very important chemical compound. Its chemical name is calcium oxychloride, and its chemical formula is simple chemical formula is CaOCl2. But not only this is the actual formula, but its actual formula is quite complicated. Therefore, its simple formula is in use. How it is prepared? It is prepared by passing chlorine gas to the slagged lime. Slagged lime, that is what? Again, it is one of the common names. Calcium hydroxide is known as slagged lime, but the condition is what? It must be dry. Otherwise, CaOH twice is called lime water. Lime water, that is, it is not dry. So, dry slagged lime and passing chlorine gas, it forms bleaching powder. Okay. What are the uses of bleaching powder? To bleach, that is the to clean cotton, leather and paper. Actually, these substances are quite dirty in nature. That is the natural cotton, leather and paper are dirty in nature. To clean it, the bleaching powder is applied, and also to kill the germs present, that is natural germs, microorganisms present in cotton, leather and paper. Therefore, it is used as disinfectant. Okay, used as oxidizing agent because it readily releases nascent oxygen. That is the single oxygen present in it, it can release it. Therefore, this oxygen can be used as oxidizing agent. One more compound is called plaster of Paris. Again, you know it very well. Okay, this is called hemihydrated. Hemi means what? Half. Hemi means half. Like we are calling hemisphere. Hemisphere, that is half of the sphere. Therefore, here is the term hemihydrated, means half molecule of water. Therefore, called hemihydrated. And which salt? Calcium sulfate salt. Getting? Now, it is obtained by heating gypsum. The formula is gypsum is calcium sulfate with 2 number of water molecule of crystallization at exactly or approx 373 Kelvin temperature. It forms hemihydrated calcium sulfate, which is known as plaster of Paris. Student, you must remember, if the temperature is more than 400 Kelvin, then besides of hemihydrated, okay, only pure anhydrated, means without water molecule having calcium sulfate is formed, and these calcium sulfate do not have property of plaster of Paris. Therefore, it is required to maintain the temperature around 373 Kelvin. Plaster of Paris is white powdered salt. When it is mixes with water, it again becomes hard. Okay, this and converts again into gypsum. Uses, you know, the doctor are using it during the bone fracture to support the bone. Actually, what? When the plaster of Paris and the water is added, immediately it becomes hard. Okay, and due to hardness, it gives the support to the fractured bone. Student, it is also used in the ceiling, to make the ceiling decorative or design. It is also used for decorative substances, like here during the Ganesh festival, the Ganesh statue, these are made up of plaster of Paris, and the government is saying that we should not use this plaster of Paris because it again converts into gypsum, and now this gypsum can block the water drainage system. Therefore, we have to avoid what? The Ganesh statue made up of plaster of Paris. Thank you. Student, now with this our chapter is completed. You have to solve NCERT in text question. Most of the questions, say 90% part of this chapter is already completed. The notes are already given to you. One of the exam is also based on the part of this chapter. Therefore, there will be no difficulty. However, I am also providing you some notes in the form of images. Okay, you watch all the video carefully, then you observe all these notes and prepare your notes for half yearly exam. Thank you.